Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I'm here to reveal and show you some inspiration for our latest card kit for March 2022, and this one's called Hoppy Days Ahead. I'm also revealing our brand new Lucky zipper pouch bag, so all of your kit items will fit in this bag, and it does come included. These bags are great for holding all your items together and also taking with you on the go. The stamp set for this kit is called Hoppy Days Ahead, and it features adorable illustrated bunnies. They're very clean lined. And then there's plenty of messages that you can add together with this. Also some stacked and blocked messages that you can use with some of your favorite colored inks. Towards the bottom of the set, there are some ground covers, so there are flowers and grasses that you can color in. You'll also get a bag with 3 white pom-poms and also a white button, and you can use these pom-poms to put onto your little bunny tails for some added dimension. And to glue on your pom-poms, we're also including a bottle of Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky Glue. We have a stencil set for you in this kit, and this is the new Simon Says Stamp Small Clouds. So it has the outline and also the mask that you can use if you wanted to do some dimensional stenciling. Also in this kit is a Simon Says Stamp Positively Saturated ink pad in a blue shade, and we're also including the small blending brush, and you can use that with your inks and your stencil. These inks have a nice foam pad and they're really saturated, and we also have the label on the side for easy identification. You'll also get 2 of Susie Plantamera's watercolor cards, and these are printed on high quality watercolor paper. You can use them with your watercolors, Copic markers, or even pencils. We're also including a sentiment strip full of Easter greetings and messages that coordinate really well with the stamp set. The papers for this kit come from Paper Rose, and this is Wildflower Field, and there's a whole selection of different types of wildflowers and then some backgrounds that are really nice and graphic. Some of the colors are really bright, especially in the flowers, and then some are quite muted. You'll get 6 of these sheets, and they are double-sided. This one has an alphabet on it. You could cut this up and put somebody's name together, along with some flowers in the background. These colors are really perfect for the beginning of spring. It really gives you that fresh, renewed feeling. Oh, and this sheet has some messages, and you can cut those up and put them on a card, and then also some small tags for the backside. So once again, that's 6 sheets of double-sided papers from Paper Rose's Wildflower Field collection. We have a few envelopes for you. This first one is our metallic silver and also our white envelope. And those both have that peel away adhesive, so you don't have to lick them to stick them. You'll also receive a slimline avocado envelope, and that also has that peel away adhesive. We have 4 sheets of cardstock for you. The first one is Nina White, and that's 110 pound. And then Simon Says Stamp's 100 pound cardstocks in lavender, smoke, and cornflower. And then let's not forget, you're also going to get the Simon Says Stamp Lucky Mesh Zipper Bag, and that will hold all the contents of your kit. And up next, I have some inspiration from our designers. I created a clean and simple card where I stenciled the clouds onto the smoke cardstock with white pigment ink, and then stamped the bunny on white cardstock, cut them out, and put them onto my card. Beth Opal used one of Susie's watercolor cards where she colored that in, then cut it out, and created a background using the cloud stencil and also a message from the sentiment strips. Kathy Zelsky stamped the bunny pair and put them onto a panel of the pattern paper, and also used one of those messages from the pattern paper to sit below. And finally, Susan Opal created a slimline card, and she fussy cut around all those flowers and then used one of her favorite dies and also a message from the sentiment strips. I've put a link in the description box below to take you to our blog and also galleries so you can see additional inspiration. So I hope you've enjoyed this look into our March card kit for 2022 called Hoppy Days Ahead. And as always, thanks so much for watching.